Hi, my name is Mike Love, and I'd like to thank you for taking the time to come to the website and watch this video. And what I'd like to do in this introductory video is just take a little bit of time to share with you my approach to how you can learn about the 12 rays and how you can make them relevant in your own life, because without relevancy, it's just like reading another self-help book and going from one book to the next. The 12 rays are here to be used as tools, and I want to present them as tools in a simple and straightforward way. So, I hope you have come to the website because you've been following me on Facebook, and I've been posting a lot out there, and I've been getting some very interesting feedback, and I'm very encouraged by the feedback that I've been getting. So that's led to the development of this video and several other ones that you hopefully will see. So let me tell you about the three other videos that are on this welcome page. So the next video that I suggest you watch is the introduction to the rays. And what that video is going to do is it's going to give you the information about, well, there's 12 rays, and what is ray 1 and what's ray 5 and what's ray 6, and it's going to give you that type of information. You know, being 12 rays, there is an order to them, and there's kind of a way that you can separate them out and make them easier to comprehend and work with and deal with. So that's the next video that I suggest you watch. And then after that is a video, another short video, about the benefits of using the rays. And this is where the relevancy really comes into play. So this is going to give you an idea of the benefits that you can hope to experience when you start working with the rays. And they are significant, I must add. So, and then the final video on this welcome page is how do you work with the rays. And the rays are energy, and most energy is invisible. So there has to be a new way to work with them. And what I have done is I've created several exercises on the website. And this video will direct you to those exercises so that you can begin to experience each one of the rays and feel the differences and the nuances of the rays. So that's a quick overview of the remaining videos on this welcome page. There's a whole lot of other information on the website in terms of pages and text, but I just wanted to go over the videos that are on this page. And I wanted to give you just like a minute's worth of overview about me. So I'm a corporate refugee. I spent about 20 years in corporate America, and it was time for me to get out. So about 10, 12 years ago, I opened up a wellness center here in Charlotte called Phoenix Rising. And it was there at that wellness center that I learned about the 12 rays. And I have been teaching about them ever since, and I've been writing about them, and I've been blogging about them. But quite frankly, I haven't really found a way to get the message out until very recently. And when I started blogging on Facebook, lo and behold, people started showing interest, and it was very, very encouraging. So here I am moving forward with that and sharing with you through these videos and through the web pages my understanding of the rays and how they can be relevant to your life. So that's a quick overview of the website, a little bit of background about myself. I hope you watch the other three videos on this page, and I hope they'll lead you to working with the rays, and I hope you'll begin to see the benefit of working with the rays. So once again, thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video, coming to the website, supporting me on Facebook, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks a lot.